So today we're going to replace the brake bulb on the left rear of this Nissan Versa 2007. The brake light's not coming on, so we'll just replace the bulb and we'll just go in here from the back side. Just go in and remove these two little panels. Inside you'll see two nuts, 10 millimeters each, and you just remove both of those. Just remove these 10 millimeter nuts. Make sure you catch it, don't let it drop down there. For this one you'll need a tall socket. Be careful not to drop it, eh? So this whole light assembly needs to be pulled back. There's a clip there, I'll show you how it just moves in on it. So we'll just try and pull back from here, press in and pull back. There it is. So what you can see is this needs to push onto that clip right there, and so to remove it you just got to pull that straight back. So this is the housing where your brake light is situated, so just lefty loosey and just pull that out, and there it is. So as you put your new bulb in, just make sure that you handle it with a piece of cloth or piece of tissue so you don't touch the surface of the glass. Once you've got it in, you have to test your brakes first before you actually put the whole assembly back on. Okay, can you turn on the lights? Step on the brake. Excellent, thank you. Once you've tested it, you know that it's working. Now you can just reassemble it. This is going to go back in there and it's going to be righty-tighty. Once it's locked into place, you're ready to put this back. So what you want to do to line this up is make sure these studs are in the right positions. Your nuts are going to go on the inside, and this is going to clip in on this left side there. These other points are just going to go straight into the body. So as you assemble this, you start with the top nut. That's the easiest one to do, and you start it off by hand. Once again, make sure it doesn't drop. Spin this on. Just nice and snug, you don't have to over tighten it. So for this one, because it's very easy to drop down, you want to take your socket and you want to put a piece of paper in there, maybe even like a piece of tissue like this, and then put your nut in. And that's going to hold it for you so it doesn't drop down when you go in. Just pop this in by hand and make sure it's snug. There we go. That's it. Put your covers back on. And you're done.